So have you noticed among industries or similarities or differences in how they try to assess the consumer and incorporate it into their marketing strategy?
Absolutely. The biggest distinction is between, let's call them financially and technology-oriented companies and ones that are less so. So if you think about a high-tech company or a bank, they tend to think very rationally, and their culture is a very rational one. So they tend to think about the consumer in that way. Mm-hmm. If you look at other organizations, they tend to be a little bit more flexible in their thinking. So they tend to look at the world in a more holistic way. So it really depends upon the culture of the organization and how they, what they see in the world. There's a saying in psychology I'm very fond of. We're fond in English of saying seeing is believing. There's a psychologist who argues believing is seeing. So what you believe the world is what you see. And so your perspective that you embrace influences how you view the world. And also, I'll add one other factor, how successful you've been. The more successful you've been, the more difficult it is to get people to see the world in a different way.